Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Hootsuite Pro easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.hootsuite.com and press enter. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be presented with different plans available for Hootsuite. Select the Hootsuite Pro option to proceed. Next, you may be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password for your Hootsuite account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements displayed. After entering your email and password, click on the Get Started button. You may be directed to a page asking for additional information. Complete the required fields including your name and company details. Choose your preferred payment method from the options available. Enter your payment information accurately. Once you've filled out the necessary details, review your information carefully. Click on the Start Free Trial or Confirm Purchase button, depending on your selection. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will direct you back to the Hootsuite platform. You are now ready to log into your new Hootsuite Pro account. Return to the Hootsuite homepage and click on the Login button. Enter your email and password to access your dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Hootsuite Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.